Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a ACV rinse on long locks, and I apologize in advance if you hear any background noise or talking. My 1-year-old son is watching Boss Baby. For this particular rinse I put 3 cups of apple cider vinegar into a tub of warm water with a 1/2 cup of baking soda. An ACV rinse is good for kind of like detoxing the locks and bringing all of that old dirt and build up to the surface so that it's easier to wash. I started out with only adding about 2.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, but then once I got everything mixed up, I ended up adding just a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. And I normally do a ACV rinse every 3 to 6 months just to get that old buildup out and just basically bring it to the surface so that it makes it easier when you're washing. And it's been about 3 months since the last retwist. Alright, and I'm just putting all of the hair into the mixture and just try to make sure I can get as much of the ends. I won't be able to get the roots in, but as much as the ends in as I can, and let it submerge in that water. As the locks sit in the water and soak, you'll start to see the water getting cloudy and starting to change colors. After the locks have soaked for a while, I just dump the kind of the dirty mixture out, and I put in some clean water and let it kind of like soak in the clean water and like rinse those locks off. And as you can see, even in the second set of like soaking and rinsing everything out, you can see like stuff still like floating around in the water. Then after that second soak, I shampoo the locks. I've rinsed all of the shampoo and everything out. Alright, and you can see the end result. Thanks for watching, and please remember